Hi guys, welcome to another week of art with Mrs. Williams. So this week I am just about to check your guys' fabric pieces. I'm so excited, and hopefully we'll get a brand new rainbow wall next week to see some really fun fabric pieces up. This week, these are our sketches. So you have Monday is cake, Tuesday is ice cream, Wednesday is a quote from our Freaky Friday artist, Wayne Thiebaud. And his quote is, "Art is not delivered like the morning paper. It has to be stolen from Mount Olympus." Mount Olympus is the home of the gods, according to Greek legends. And so he's saying that rather good art that just comes to you, you have to fight for it. You have to want it. You have to work hard for it. You have to go steal it, so to speak. And that's a really interesting theory. A lot of students, they'll sit at their desk and they'll say, I'm just waiting for the right idea. I'm just waiting for something to come in my head. And they don't understand that sometimes you just got to go for it. You got to go with the first idea that comes and just really fight hard to make sure that's the best idea ever. So here we go. Thursday is pie and Friday is pastels. Now, you know what I just realized? We don't have school on Wednesday, so we are going to delete that. No school because we have Veterans Day. I hope you guys are able to go out. I hope you guys are able to honor somebody who served our country so well. I don't know if I spelled veterans right. It might just be unsure. I'll go check that later. So here we go. Um, Here, if you're new to this class, this is how you do Freaky Friday. Make sure to pay attention to this slide when you're going through our Sideshow. As usual, so we went over the weekly sketches. This week, because we don't have school on Wednesday, silly Miss Williams, you're going to be sketching 4 prompts instead. We're going to be completing an artist spotlight on Wayne Thiebaud, who did dessert paintings, lots of cakes, candies, pastels, cupcakes, all that jazz. And then we're going to continue to master art skills. So Monday, you are going to be completing a worksheet in Google Classroom for me. It's called the lighting worksheet. You're going to print that out and complete it. You're going to be shading where a highlight is, a cast shadow, a midtone, and a reflective light on these spheres or these little balls. So that is on Google Classroom waiting for you. Tuesday, you're also going to be checking Google Classroom for these pie photos. Just like Wayne Thiebaud did art of desserts, we are also going to do a dessert piece. You're going to draw me a cute little pie. And I've already gotten photos, so that pie is a clear and crisp photo that you can look at as you're drawing. You don't need to print it out. And so on Tuesday, you're going to pick a pie picture and you are going to be drawing the outline as best as you can and the inline as well. And then you're going to shade it in with color pencils. So this is a lot like our fabric project, but instead of tracing the pie, I actually want you to draw it this time and then shade it. So we're building up our knowledge of how to draw and we're building up our knowledge on how to shade as well. And by now you should know how to shade with the color pencil. On Thursday, not Wednesday, you're going to continue shading. And then Friday, we are going to complete a Freaky Friday on Wayne Thiebaud. And so really quick, I wanted to go into this sheet. A lot of students, they ask me, how do I get a A on a project, or what am I getting graded on? With this pie project, here are the exact things I am looking for to get you an A. So I want you to look over this slide once, look over this slide twice before you come back and come for me about your grade, all right? These are those pie photos that I'm going to send you guys, taken by me just with a nice little ring light and a white piece of paper and a cute little piece of pie. And you can pick any flavor you want. So I have pecan, lemon, I think this is blueberry, cherry, or apple. And so I want you to draw it as best as you can and shade it as best as you can. And that is our project this week. Good luck, guys.